Grand Rising. Today is Saturday, May 31st, 2025 on the ancient moon calendar, 2026 on the ancient sun calendar. Moroccan Empire, Moorish National Republic Federal Government, United States for America, Jamaica State. Societas Republicae e Almoricanos, Moorish Divine and National Movement of the Earth. Northwest Maxim, Northwest Africa, North America, the North Gate, and all adjoining islands, Temple of the Moon and Sun, the true and de jure natural peoples, heirs to the land. Universal Sovereign, Original Indigenous, Natural Divine. Writ of Mandamus for Imposter Remoovall. Notice to subjects is notice to system. Notice to system is notice to subjects. This is a public announcement to all subjects, immigrants, imposters, enacting military occupation in all our offices at ancient land of Xamayka territory, sovereign living, Jamaica State, and Earthwide. All rise and stand and remain standing into perpetuity, and in alignment and according to the ancient noahide laws. This is a sovereign living ancient Article 3 Moorish American Moroccan Universal Court action. We are the divine living justices and ego sum, sovereign living Chief Justice Sharon Ann Peart Johnson. My free chosen sovereign appellation is shasha ande, and my sovereign matrimonial appellation is Sharon Ann Martini. All are in capitis diminuto nolo, in red ink, in proprio persona sui juris, in proprio solo, and in proprio heredis. We are capit et corpus juris legalis, which is our statement that we are the lawful and legal, natural head and body for our empire, the one and only empire. All Moors are the divine, original, indigenous, sovereign, ancient, Moroccan Moorish American ascendants of the great pharaohs of Kemet and of the ancient Moabites and Canaanites, Shemites, Cushites, Hittites, etc. Our full faith and trust, our allegiance, our honor, our credit, and our energy are hereby vested in ourselves, for we are the people who are the original indigenous, natural divine, sovereign, ancient Moroccan Empire. We are the divine and de jure Moorish National Republic Federal Government. We are ancient Washington District for Kolumbia, the Universal Moorish American Consulate, and the Earthwide Article 3 Moorish American Consular Court. We are the law by our sovereign status, which is the original indigenous, natural divine, sovereign, ancient Article 3 living United States District for Kolumbia Court. And we are the sovereign fiduciaries, original creditors, executors, trustors, presentors, executors, ministers, possessors, grantors, and titled trustors for all causes for action, and our system is the trustee. We are peace, we are one nation, one state, one empire, and one God. We hereby recognize ourselves and accept our own sovereign divine ascension. We do possess in our custody all land, all natural resources, and all commerce. We, the true living God nation, are not at war. We are peace. We are all eternal, ancient, original, sovereign rights at this time and at all points in time. Nunc pro tunc. Whatsoever is under the whole heaven is mine. Job 4, verse 11. Stare decisis. The Constitution and the laws of the United States shall be made in pursuance thereof, and all treaties made, and which shall be made under the authority of the United States, shall be the supreme law of the land. And the judges in every state shall be bound thereby. anything in the Constitution or laws of any state to the contrary notwithstanding. Constitution for the United States, 1786-1791. Governments descend to the level of a mere private corporation and take on the characteristics of a mere private citizen, where private corporate commercial paper, Federal Reserve notes, and securities checks is concerned. For purposes of suit, such corporations and individuals are regarded as entities entirely separate from government. Clearfield Trust Company versus United States, 318, United States, 363, 371, 1942. It shall be unlawful for any person employed by or associated with any enterprise engaged in, or the activities of which affect interstate or foreign commerce, to conduct or participate directly or indirectly in the conduct of such enterprises' affairs through a pattern of racketeering activity or collection of unlawful debt. Racketeer Influence and Corrupt Organizations Act, RICO, 18 United States Code, 1962. No state shall enter into any treaty, alliance, or confederation, grant letters of marque and reprisal, coin money, emit bills of credit, make anything but gold and silver coin a tender in payment of debts. Constitution for the United States, 1786-1791, Article 1, Section 10. Today is a new day, a new dawn, a new age. It is the age of Aquarius, the age of I know, the age of I know who I am, and I know my authority. I am master for all posts on our land. Nationality is the order out of chaos for this new era. Proper identification of all parties on our land is the mandamus. This is neither the time, place, space, nor vibrational frequency for imposter or impostors. I am Moorish American woman, ancient Moabite woman. I am truth. I am authenticity. My vibration is Om. I am home. I am nation, the one true God nation. I am always and forever in the jurisdiction of my ancient foremothers and forefathers, Nunc pro tunc. I am of the sovereign, living, original, indigenous, natural, divine bloodline of my mother, matriarch, the mighty conjurer, the mighty conqueror. I am crowned, for she crowned me. Today and every day, I demonstrate my rights of jus sanguine and juri imperi. I am, and all Moors are, the supreme authority on our land. All is and are subject to and under our authority, and must obey our commands without exception. It was said in the former era that the world is a stage. Well, now the farce is finished. The show is over. We have dropped the curtain and darkened all enactment theatres. This new world, our divine dominion, is a nation, a state, an empire. It is the supreme, sovereign, living, ancient Moroccan Empire. It is we, the Moorish National Republic Federal Government, who are the Moorish American national people, who granted you imposters, parole into our system, to tread our boards, and fulfill your duties in the military occupation enactment. We are the only peoples with that authority, and thus it is we, the remnant, who live, the ancient neo-vanguard, who shall relieve you of said enactment obligations. Your leave is granted. Do not return. I repeat, your leave is granted. Do not return. And again, with the power of the Trinity, triune, three. Your leave is granted. Do not return. This sovereign living justice is the law. This sovereign living justice stands. Nous vivons, nous vivons, nous vivons. Amen, amen, dico vobis quaecumque allega verita super terram erunt ligata et in caelo. Et quaecumque solverita super terram erunt soluta et in caelo. Amen, amen, dico vobis quaecumque allega verita super terram erunt ligata et in caelo. Et quaecumque solverita super terram erunt soluta et in caelo. Amen, amen, dico vobis, quaecumque allega verita super terram erunt ligata, et in caelo, et quaecumque solverita super terram erunt soluta et in caelo. Court is adjourned. Malembe Yezola. Peace and love. For and in honor of Carl Iras Anthony Thomas. Sunrise, 1968, May 31st. Metamorphosis, 2022, February 25th. And Lennox, Pretty, O'Brien Stevenson. Sunrise, 1960, June 1st. Metamorphosis, 2022, May 5th.